Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, if you're facing issues with your Linksys Dual-Band AX5400 WiFi 6 EasyMesh Router and need to reset it, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, providing a clear, step-by-step guide to reset your router and restore it to its factory settings. Resetting the Linksys Dual-Band AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 EasyMesh Router can resolve connectivity issues, fix network problems, or restore default settings if you've forgotten the login credentials. It clears any configuration errors, allowing you to start fresh and improve performance, ensuring your devices reconnect to the network smoothly. Start by plugging in the Linksys Dual-Band AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 EasyMesh Router to a power source. Ensure the router is placed in a well-ventilated area and the power indicator light is on. This step is essential for the router to function properly during setup or reset. Next, let's find the reset button on your Linksys AX5400 router. It's a tiny pinhole located at the back of the device. To press it, you'll need a small tool like a paperclip or pin. This button is essential for initiating the reset process. Take a paperclip and carefully insert it into the pinhole, pressing down on the reset button. Hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, the lights on the front of your Linksys AX5400 router will begin flashing, signaling that the reset process is underway. After releasing the reset button, the router will begin its automatic restart process. During this time, the LED lights on the front will flash to indicate the reset is in progress. Once the reset is complete, the lights will become solid, signaling the router is ready for use. Once your router has been reset, it will return to its factory default settings. To begin the setup process, open a web browser on any device and type 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. You'll be asked to log in using the default credentials. If you're unsure of the login details, check your router's manual or the label on the back of the router for the information. After logging in, follow the on-screen prompts to reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings. This includes setting up your SSID, creating a new password, and adjusting any other preferences you'd like to customize. Once the setup is complete, reconnect all your devices to the newly configured Wi-Fi network. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of experienced professionals is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert support and guidance. We're just a call away at 1-323-507-3713 to ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's all there is to it. Your Linksys Dual-Band AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 EasyMesh Router has now been successfully reset and is ready for reconfiguration. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. We appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.